Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we will walk through the structure and core logic behind the Candlestick Signal EA, built entirely with FXdreema using a no-code approach. This expert advisor focuses on generating buy and sell signals based on candlestick formations, price distance validation, and customizable risk control settings. The EA begins by detecting bullish and bearish candlestick patterns. When a bullish candle forms, the system draws a buy signal line on the chart and removes any previously drawn sell signals to avoid conflicting instructions. Similarly, when a bearish candle appears, the EA draws a sell signal line and clears previous buy signals. These visual elements help traders easily identify price zones where signals are active and support cleaner chart interpretation. The EA also integrates a distance checking mechanism. Before executing buy or sell orders, it verifies that price has moved a minimum number of pips away from the signal level. This prevents premature entries and filters out noise from market fluctuations. When the market price crosses the buy signal or sell signal level, the EA evaluates the distance criteria and then triggers the corresponding order with the appropriate lot sizing mode, fixed lots or martingale-based lot progression, depending on the user's configuration. To enhance manual control, the EA includes on-chart management buttons: Close Buy, Close Sell, and Close All. Each button is detected by name, and when pressed, the EA immediately closes all relevant positions and redraws the button objects to ensure smooth functionality during live trading. This allows traders to override automated operations when needed without going through MetaTrader menus. All key parameters, such as candle body size, buy and sell levels, stop loss, take profit, and lot size multiplier, are fully customizable. These input settings ensure that traders can adapt the EA to multiple timeframes, trading styles, and market conditions. Before using this EA in real trading, always understand the logic, evaluate potential risks, and run a complete 99.9% tick data backtest. Responsible testing is essential for verifying strategy behavior in different market conditions. For more information, visit our website at Mqlrobot.com. And don't forget to subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more EA builds, tutorials, and trading automation insights.